check it out. My monitor is so sexy.
What's going on, guys? We have officially received the 25 computer monitors. It took a long time, but sure enough, we have them. They're here. And honestly, not bad. I gotta say, not bad. I was a little skeptical, very skeptical, super skeptical, but we actually received a pretty good deal. So we got a total of 25 monitors. We have 19 Dell 23-inch monitors. We have two 32-inch Samsung monitors and 4 Omen gaming monitors. 2 of the Omen gaming monitors are broken. That kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So we got 2 broken Omen monitors and then a few other broken monitors. So for the most part, we did get a pretty good deal. It appears that most of the boxes are actually unopened. So it does appear that most of them are brand new. So this is pretty exciting. Check it out. So these are the Omen monitors. We got it from a liquidation website off of Walmart. So this one, the screen is broken. We have 2 Omen monitors just like this, and the screen is broken, which is kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But the good thing is most of them are unopened and they seem to be brand spanking new. So we're gonna take a look and we're gonna see just what we got. So here's the other broken Omen monitors. You can see the screens are really scratched up, and this one here actually has a crack on the edge of the screen. So we actually plugged both of these. We plugged both of the Omen monitors in, and both of the screens came up black with, you know, like that weird black spider looking thingamajigger. Any hooser. Oh, wow. Not good. Not good. It's all going downhill fast. It's all going downhill. So we're going to open up some of these boxes and we're going to give you guys a sneak peek inside what's going on. Let's grab a knife. It seems like the appropriate knife for the job. I mean, don't get me wrong, it could be a little bit of an overkill, but I think this is just the right knife to do the job, right? All right, let's check her out. So here we have the 32-inch Samsung monitor. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. This was a refurbished pallet that we got from Walmart, like direct liquidation. So if you're interested in something like this, look at directliquidation.com. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. All right, here we are. Come on, baby. Give me the Holy Grail. Give me something good. What do we got in here? $1 million. A new puppy. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's going down. It's going downhill. What do we got here? Oh my God. It's brand spanking new. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Come on. Perfect. Look at that. It's like Christmas morning, but better because I didn't have to pay full price for any of this stuff. Look at that, guys. Brand new Samsung 32-inch curved monitor. I don't even know how much I paid for this, but we spent a total of $2,000, and the retail value on all this sold at top dollar would be about $6,000 worth of material. And as you guys know, a few are broken, so obviously we couldn't get a full $6,000 if we sold everything. But hey, this was super fun to do, and we're definitely gonna be doing some free giveaways. But that is a pretty damn good looking monitor, if I say so myself. So here's the back, all white, pretty crispy. Again, you know, the Samsung QLED, you know, 32-inch hypersonic speed. Kills it in trading. I mean, if you don't have one of these, you're not a stock trader. All right, guys, so now we're sitting down to actually test the monitors. This is the most important part to make sure they even work. So first one on the list, we got the 32-inch Samsung curved monitor. Now, I've never even had a curved monitor in my house, so this is pretty exciting. We're gonna check it out. So Samsung, we got it plugged in. It actually is missing the charger, we think, but we got a lot of monitors. We don't know, so we might have to get a new charger for this one specifically. Let's give it a go. Wow, would you look at that? Holy shit! That is really nice. Wow, that is crispy, ladies and gentlemen. That is crispy. And we're gonna keep cracking into some of these boxes and see what we got. We're not gonna go through every single box, but we're definitely gonna give you guys a view at all the monitors that we did get, all the brands. And for our next victim, we have this Dell 23 23.0. Oh, never mind. Oh, it's a Dell. No, it's an HP. It's an HP. So we got this HP 23-inch monitor. This is the one we have like 19 of, so we're definitely going to do a lot of giveaways and maybe raffles of this Dell or this HP of this HP here. So let's check it out. Let's see what's inside. Honestly, I'm excited. Are you excited? Little pocket knife here. Oh, that didn't work. Kids, don't try this at home. There we go. Perfect. Look at this, guys. Basically brand new. If I can get it out of the box. Boom. Look at this brand new picture frame.
Let's see the screen.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Basically a brand new monitor. So you can tell that this one, so look at, we just opened it and you can tell that this one is used because we just took it out of the box. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually smudge marks on it. So you know for sure that this was a returned monitor or had been opened previously to us getting it. And that's okay because that's what we expected. This is a refurbished, reused, or unsold pallet of monitors that was liquidated out and they wanted to get rid of them. And so hell, I'm buying 25 monitors for 2,000 bucks. We're gonna do lots of giveaways to our stock traders and premium members in our chat room. So this is honestly perfect because we're gonna test all of them out, and whatever ones work, we're gonna ship out to some people and we're gonna keep a few and it's gonna be great. All right guys, so this is the first 23-inch or 24-inch HP monitor we've tested out, and so far it looks really good and it's working basically perfect. So if you guys are interested in exactly what model monitors these are, I'll put all the information in the description below so you can check it out. That way, if some of you guys might be interested in the giveaways we're doing or the raffles, that way you can get yourself involved with it and know what you anticipate what you're probably gonna get. All right, ladies and gentlemen, next one on the list is the Dell. This is a Dell 27-inch monitor. Okay. Oh, just kidding. Nothing special. All right, here is our next victim. All right. So far, that's pretty good shape right there. Another Dell monitor. It appears the screen is all perfect, but again, you can tell that this was also, used because we definitely have some smudge marks on there. But I mean, it is what it is. Who cares? If it works, it works. So super excited. Honestly, this is sick. We're gonna do this again. We're definitely doing this again. The most important one of all. Just kidding, it's not the most important one of all. But here we go, Samsung. Let's get it. Check it out. Another perfect 32-inch Samsung curved monitor. These are the hottest things on the market right now. Curved monitors, they change your life. Yeah, and this one still has the plastic on it. This one honestly appears to basically be brand new. So I think we're getting a pretty good deal. Definitely think we're getting a pretty good deal here, guys. Definitely. All right, guys, next one. Let's get into it. Omen, boom. Here we go. We have way too many monitors and not enough time in the day to do this. So this is an Omen gaming monitor. I'm not going to be the one to tell you guys whether or not Omen is a great company or not. I know you gamers out there are going to be like, oh dude, Omen's trash. Well, it doesn't matter because it was liquidation anyways. Give me a break. So here we go. You can definitely tell this one was used. So if you look here, you guys may or may not be able to see that, but they put a new price tag on it to save $157, so $471. So this is definitely an expensive piece of equipment. Let's give her a go-ski. Oh my gosh. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Right? Would you just look at it? Look at that. Basically brand new. Brand new Omen monitor. So, is buying liquidation a good idea or a bad idea? Honestly, I think it's a great idea. I could honestly build a whole trading studio with 20 monitors that are all probably in working condition. We don't really know, but we're gonna take a look and we'll definitely let you guys know how many work and how many don't. But that's sick. Brand new, basically brand new Omen monitor. Look at that. Look at that. Illuminati. That's the symbol. That's Illuminati symbol, guys. I don't know. Oh, it's scary. Dude, that's actually sick. What is that? What does that even do?
I think it's a bee or something.
Oh, it's
maybe a tiger.
Maybe it's an omen, the devil.
Omen, yeah.
I don't know, whatever that means. All right, guys, so we have successfully opened up majority of all of the monitors we got. Again, we had two 32-inch Samsungs. We had like a Dell. We had a couple Omen monitors. And so far, it's looking pretty good. It looks like most of them are gonna work. So we're gonna end up sitting here, we're gonna plug them in, see how many work and how many are actually in proper working condition. And then we'll be able to truly know if we got scammed or if we actually got a pretty good deal. After that, we're gonna do another video and we're gonna be doing giveaways and we're gonna raffle off some of these. I'm definitely not keeping them all. There's way too many monitors here. I couldn't even use them all. There's really no point. So we're definitely gonna be giving some away to you guys. Thank you again for following the channel. We do appreciate it. Please thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And then stay tuned for the next video as we're gonna give away instructions on how you guys can enter the giveaways and enter the raffles for these monitors. If you're someone who needs one, you're a trader, you're a gamer, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna do a giveaway. I'm not gonna use these monitors, so smash the like button and subscribe.